Hello students, today we'll be doing how to find the foregrid reference. So the first question is, give foregrid reference of the following. The first one, settlement Dholpura. So the first thing on the topo sheet, we have to locate where is Dholpura. So you can see Dholpura is over here. This is Dholpura, these small huts. This is Dholpura. So whenever we have to find the foregrid children, first we take the eastings and then the northings. So these red colored vertical lines, these are the eastings. They are numbered. These red colored vertical lines, these are the eastings. So these are numbered 04, 05, 06. So these vertical lines, red colored vertical lines, these are the eastings. And these horizontal lines, these red colored horizontal lines children, you can see these red colored horizontal lines, they are also numbered. So these red colored horizontal lines are the northings. So the question was to find the foregrid reference of Dholpura. So first we'll take the eastings. Now this Dholpura, it lies between these two vertical lines. Dholpura lies between these two vertical lines. So it lies between 1, 0 and 1, 1. Lies between 1, 0 and 1, 1. So we'll take the lesser number. 1, 0 is less than 1, 1. We'll take 1, 0. So the eastings will be 1, 0. Now we'll take the northings. So this Dholpura, it lies between these two horizontal lines. And this is 08 and 09. 08 and 09. So we'll take the lesser number. 08 is less than 09. So we'll take 08. So we'll write down the northings as 08. So the foregrid reference of settlement Dholpura is 1008. The next question is, give the foregrid reference of dry tank south of Dhatani. So first children, you have to see where is Dhatani. So you can see Dhatani is here. This is Dhatani, these small huts. This is Dhatani. Dry tank south. South you will go below. So this is the dry tank. This is the dry tank. And this dry tank, it lies between 1, 0 and 1, 1. Eastings 1, 0, 1, 1. We take the lesser one. We'll take the lesser one. So it lies between, we'll write down 1, 0. That's the eastings. Now we'll take the northings. So this dry tank, it lies between these two horizontal lines. So these two horizontal lines I told you, that is your 0, 0, 3 and 0, 4. It lies between 0, 3 and 0, 4. So we take the lesser number. 0, 3 is less than 0, 4. We'll take 0, 3. So we'll write down the northings as 0, 3. So the foregrid reference of dry tank south of Dhatani is 1003. The next question is, give the foregrid reference of fairly dense scrub of south. So first you have to see the southern part of the topo sheet and locate where is this fairly dense scrub. So you can see this fairly dense scrub is over here. This is the fairly dense scrub in the southern part, south. So it lies between these two vertical lines. These two vertical lines. So that is your 08 and 09. It lies between 08 and 09. So we take the lesser number. 08 is less than 09. So first we'll write the eastings. So eastings will be 0, 8. Now we'll take the northings. So this fairly dense scrub, children, it lies between these two horizontal lines. It lies between these two horizontal lines, which is 0,3 and 0,4. It lies between 0,3 and 0,4. We take the lesser one. 0,3 is less, so we'll write down the northings as 0,3. So the foregrid reference of fairly dense scrub of south is 0,803. The next question is, give the foregrid reference of settlement Makawal. So again, first on the topo sheet you have to locate where is Makawal. You have to find out where is Makawal. So you can see this is Makawal, these small huts. This is Makawal. And if you have to be very careful, children. If you see very carefully, this Makawal, it lies on the red line. On this line it lies. On the line it lies. So the eastings same we will take, that is 0,6. It lies on the same line, so we are taking 0,6. So first we'll write the eastings 0,6. Now we'll take the northings. So this Makawal, it lies between these two horizontal lines, which is 0,4 and 0,5. It lies between 0,4 and 0,5. So we take the lesser number. 0,4 is less than 0,5. So the northings will be 0,4. So the foregrid reference of settlement Makawal is 0,604. I hope you have understood it, children, and you will be able to find it correctly.